back to a brand new video. I hope you have been doing great these days. Make sure you stay safe and follow all the safety guidelines. So by the title you know that what I'm going to do today. Yes, I'm finally doing it. I feel so good that I can't even express in words. You know, everyone has a bucket list, right? Even I have a bucket list which is full of aspirations, I'll tell you. But you know, donating my hair for the suffering cancer patients was always one of them, and I always wanted to do it. Like, I decided it years ago, but recently, I'll tell you, I think in the month of June I was just scrolling my Instagram, and then I came across this page called Share Your Hair India, which is run by a guy whose name is Aditya Singh. He runs this page, and when I came across this page, oh my god, I can't express how much inspired I was, like by seeing the videos, by seeing the pictures, the transitions. Oh my god, that was like, it just took me around like 5 minutes, and I was like, okay, I have to do it. I'm doing it. I just went to my mom and said, hey, I'm getting my hair chopped. She was like, what? Why are you getting your hair chopped? I was like, I'm donating my hair. She was like, are you completely confirmed that you want to do this? Because generally what I do is, even when at times when I just got my bangs done or the fringes, or even if I trim my hair, I just start cribbing about it that I just lost my hair and all those things, because I am someone who just loves her hair. You would have never seen me in blunt cuts or bob cut hair, because I love long hairs in general. My hair was always I think up to my waist level, but I don't know whether it will look good or bad. I just don't care. I am getting it chopped. So when I came across this page, I just messaged that guy that, hey, I wanted to do this, and what are the various procedures and instructions. There's no rocket science. You can easily do it, even if you're in any part of this city, any part of this country, actually, in any state, in any city, you can do this. You're just a will. What do I say? You just need a will to go, that you want to do this for your happiness. And believe me, that feeling is just above the world. When you see someone smiling because of you, that feeling is just so nice and so, you know, warming, and I just can't express. I'm feeling so nervous, so anxious at the same time, that how am I going to look, because my face is generally a little bit of broad, and I have gained a lot of weight. You see this fat but yes, I'm doing it, and I'm so glad, and I'm so nice that I'm doing it. Also, I like to mention a very small thing, that you know, people say, even my mom said me this, when people donate something, when they give something, they don't advertise it, like you just don't need to come out of it. But why am I making this video? Of course, because I feel that even any one of you by watching this video gets inspired and has this feeling that, okay, I want to do this, I would feel so obliged, so nice, that even if any one of you just gets motivated and inspired, okay, I have to also do this. That is the only sole purpose. Why am I, you know, recording this and putting it on my channel? This is the only reason. And also a small reason is that I want to keep it as a memory for my life throughout, because this is my first time which I'm doing it, and I'll make sure I keep doing it and keep doing it. You just need to donate, I think, up to 10 to 12 inches of your hair. You just need to wash your hair, like condition it. Don't use any kind of hair products, or whether it's serums or, you know, sprays, any hairspray. You just need to wash it and air dry it, and then yes, get it chopped. I can imagine if any girl is going through this pain, what it actually feels, because you know, for women, for girls, their hair are like the most beautiful ornament, you can say, they carry. It's just how, I just can't put in words that what hairs actually mean to a woman or to a girl, and losing them and all that pain, it's just so bad. So even if by just donating your hair, if you can bring smile to someone's face, that would be so nice and so warming. So make sure you do this, share this video, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go. I'll keep you guys posted along with me, how I'm doing it, how am I getting it done. I'll take you guys to the salon and everything. So let's go and get this chopped. So right now my hair length is up to my waist level. I don't know whether it's visible or not. Up to my waist level, and I'm getting it chopped nearly 10 to 12 inches, of course, because yeah, I think I'll keep it till my shoulder level now. So yeah, I'm super excited and let's go. First of all, we'll wash our hair, condition it, blow dry it, and then chop chop chop. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, so I've taken a good hair wash. I have not used any kind of hair styling products, just the shampoo and the conditioner, and you're ready to rock it. And yeah, now I will let it air dry and we will rush to the salon. Let's go.
गली में मारे फेरे पास आने को मेरे, गली में मारे फेरे पास आने को मेरे। कभी परखता नैन मेरे तो कभी परखता तोर, कभी परखता नैन मेरे तो कभी परखता तोर। अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़, अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़। तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल, तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल। अंबर सरिया हो अंबर सरिया। मैं कलियों के जैसी मेरी अल्हड़ उमर नियाणी, छोटी सी ये जान मेरी और जोबन बहता पानी। अरे मैं कलियों के जैसी मेरी अल्हड़ उमर नियाणी, छोटी सी ये जान मेरी और जोबन बहता पानी। जब से चढ़ी जवानी ढूंढती दिल दहाड़ी, जब से चढ़ी जवानी ढूंढती दिल दहाड़ी। मैं अनजानी को ये पानी लेना जावे रोड, अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़, अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़। तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल, तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे से बोल। अंबर सरिया अंबर सरिया। ओ गोरी गोरी मेरी कलाई हाय, ओ गोरी गोरी मेरी कलाई चूड़ियां काली काली। मैं शर्माती रोज लगाती काजल सुरमा लाली, नहीं मैं सुरमा पाना रूप ना मैं चमकाना, नहीं मैं सुरमा पाना रूप ना मैं चमकाना। नैन नशीले हो अगर तो सुरमे की लोड, अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़, अंबर सरिया मुन्ने आवे कचिया कलियां ना तोड़। तेरी माँ ने बोले है मुझे तीखे
Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is where.
ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ। ਉਹ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬਣ, ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਟੋਲਾ, ਲੱਗੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਖ ਨੀ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ। ਚਾਂਦਨੀ ਚੌਂਕ ਚ ਤਬਾਈ ਜਈ ਪਾਈ ਆ, ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ ਆ। ਚਾਂਦਨੀ ਚੌਂਕ ਚ ਤਬਾਈ ਜਈ ਪਾਈ ਆ, ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੱਸੋ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਈ ਆ। ਬੱਚਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਹੈ ਨੀ, ਬੱਚਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਫਿਰੇ, ਬੱਚਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਰਦਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ।
Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is where. Ooh, your little black dress, it don't do it for me, you know how to impress. Just give it to me, no jeans, no dresses, no tees, no. My queen, she's in a sari, yeah. Now keep it busy, like you're in Delhi. You gotta rep the team, shawty. I know the flexing matters me, you should be checking, cause I wanna make you my Rani.
ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ। ਉਹ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬਣ, ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਟੋਲਾ, ਲੱਗੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਖ ਨੀ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਸੂਟ ਕਰਦਾ।
नवराई माझी लाडाची ग, आवड हिला चंद